Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this quick video and learn how to make these soft, delicious and really easy to make banana muffins with dark chocolate. These are the ingredients you would need. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Add the bananas into a medium mixing bowl and then mash with a fork until you no longer have any large chunks of banana. Once ready, lightly scramble the egg and add in. Then add in the milk, melted butter and vanilla extract. Mix for about a minute until well distributed. Once ready, add in the sugar, self-raising flour and bicarbonate of soda. A quick mix until you no longer have any lumps of flour. Then fold in the dark chocolate. You could omit these or replace them with nuts as a variation. Scoop or pipe into 12 muffin cases. And then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. Yes, it really was that easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out some of these other videos. See you next time.